Understanding, grind the gears, an English idiom explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, grind the gears. This idiom is commonly used in English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really enhance your language skills. So, let's dive in and explore what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, grind the gears, originates from the world of automobiles. In manual transmission cars, if you don't shift gears smoothly, it causes a grinding noise, indicating a mistake or a problem. In English, we use this phrase metaphorically to refer to something that annoys or irritates someone. It's often used in situations where someone's actions or words are causing frustration or discomfort. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. It really grinds my gears when people talk loudly on their phones in public. 2. Sarah's constant lateness to meetings grinds her colleagues' gears. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express irritation caused by someone else's behavior. When using grind the gears, remember, it's typically used in informal contexts. The subject is often personal, like my gears or his gears. Avoid using it in a literal sense. It's a metaphorical expression. There are similar phrases that convey the same meaning, such as get on my nerves, rub me the wrong way. These alternatives can be used interchangeably depending on the context. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of grind the gears. Remember, idioms like this add color and expressiveness to your English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use grind the gears when you encounter something annoying or frustrating. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.